It's a sweltering 93 today, so we are making some popsicles for all of our students. This is our brand new popsicle mold from Amazon with these silicone mold with the placements for the sticks, which is fantastic. And this is our peach blueberry, which I've got in there setting up to freeze. And we just made some strawberry banana ones, and that's how it comes out. It looks, and it also comes with these great little plastic bags that fit exactly. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we're going to make our peach. So this is very simple. You can do this with any sort of fruit. We have our peach nectar, and I've got 2 cups of it, and to it we are going to add frozen peaches, and this is 1 pound of frozen peaches. We're going to puree this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to float blueberries into our popsicle. So when you take it out, you'll have actual chunks of blueberries, fresh blueberries in it. So I'm going to put in our 2 cups into our blender. I'm going to add the frozen, and then this is optional. If you want to keep it low sugar, do not add any, but I tend to find that a little bit of powdered sugar goes a long way. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to this and make it a little tastier. There we go. We're going to get the lid on. We're going to puree it. Here we are, nice and smooth, just like a smoothie. And we're going to pour them into our molds. We're going to start out by putting 2 blueberries in at the bottom of our cavity, and then we'll pour in our peach to cover it. We're going to only do it about halfway. I'm going to fill all of these with a bit of blueberries and then the peach puree. We're going to let it set in the freezer until it's a bit firm, so that way we can add our next layer of blueberries. So after the mixture has had a chance to chill, we're going to take it back out of the freezer, and we're going to add the next layer. I put 4 blueberries, and then we're going to top it up. We could even put more blueberries at the top if you want. But by doing it this way, they won't all float to the bottom. They'll be suspended midway between in the popsicle. So here I'm going to put a couple more. So we have this like 3 layers of blueberries. So any way you want. Or if you want to make them with no blueberries at all, just peach, just pour it straight in. Or if you wanted to add cut strawberries, you could add some of those. Any fresh fruits that freeze well, you can put in. So we've got this completely full, and we're going to put on this cover, which is also silicone, and it goes right on top. And just snap it into place. The greatest thing about this is that it aligns the popsicle stick hole directly over the popsicle. So this goes straight down, and it'll be positioned properly, and push it all the way in. And remember that some of this was set up in the freezer earlier, so we could suspend the blueberries throughout the popsicle. So if you're finding some resistance, you might have to push down a little firmer to get it through. And once you get all of these in, you're going to put it into the freezer for about 5 to 6 hours before it's completely set, and then you can unmold them. But this is a great way to make very healthy popsicles for the summer using frozen fruit and fruit nectar and fresh fruit. We do have the fresh blueberries in it. So I'm very excited because this is a brand new toy for me. Just got them from Amazon. This is basically the first time I'm using them, and I'm super excited. Here we go. So these were in the freezer for about 5 hours, and you pop them out and see you've got the blueberry floating inside your popsicle. This is our peach blueberry popsicle, and it's very easy to unmold. You just sort of push up from the bottom on the silicone. Because it is silicone, it is very easy to do so. So I'm getting my assistant to help hold the camera for me, and I'll show you how easy it is to just pop it out, push the bottom, and voila, pull it right out. There you go. Now, if they are kind of hard, you can always put this into a pan of warm water, soften a little bit, but this right now is pretty easy. I'm just pushing it right from the bottom and pulling it out. Yay! So you can see the blueberries are floating in it all at different places. So I hope you enjoyed this and are interested in making your own healthy popsicles. And get one of these on Amazon today. Amazon should pay me for this. I really think they should do that. Okay, thanks everybody.
For more recipes, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.